You just got a tattoo, here's how to take care of it. Don't pick.
You guys, today I want to quickly give you some tip on how to take care of your new tattoo. If you have a new tattoo, how you need to take care of your new tattoo. I have 3 tips for you, but before then, please support your guy and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So I will be dropping some more tips on tattoo stuff, mostly on my YouTube. Sometimes I do share it on my Instagram and on my Facebook. You can always find my Facebook there. I will write the name there, the link below. You can always find my YouTube, my Instagram, my WhatsApp, everything. I always drop the whole detail of my videos. So today we need to talk about how to take care of your tattoos. First of all, I'm going to be talking about tattoo scabbing. What is scabbing? Scabbing is after you getting a new tattoo, maybe after 2 or 3 days, you now be having some maybe 2 or maybe from 6 days, something like that. You now be having maybe some kind of rashes from your tattoo. So that's what we are going to be discussing about. Number one there, don't pick your tattoo. When I mean don't pick your tattoo, after you get a new tattoo, and from 6 days, the tattoo will be scratching you. And it's very important. Don't scratch your tattoo, it's not good. Just let it heal by itself. That scratching, for example, the itching is too much, just tap it like this. That tapping is allowed. But when you scratch, you see that ink of that line, it will pull off. Then the tattoo will look so very rough and it will not heal well. So it's better you tap, don't scratch. Everything will fall off by itself. It can take weeks. It depends, because everybody have have different way how their body interact with tattoo ink, but it causes no infection. So the number 2 of it is when you take your shower. When you take your shower and you have a new tattoo, you want to go and take your shower. It's allowed. You can take shower as much time as you want, but it's very important. Don't stay too long in shower. You know, say na summer time, then you like to stay on the shower to enjoy yourself. But as for your new tattoo, it's not good. It will look more soak, and that one might attract more infection. It's good for your tattoo to be always dried. You understand? So, and the third one, when you are getting out from the shower, be careful with your towel. Most time, you know that our towels have infection normally because towel is not clean. You understand? Tattoo is injury, so it needs more clean things to heal. Then your towel, now, even though if you want to use your towel to clean your body, tap it. Don't use your towel to rub it here. It might pull off, and that will not be good for your tattoo. So it's very advisable for you. When you get out from the shower, you want to use your towel. You can use it to rub the rest of your body, but your new tattoo, just use it to tap it. You understand? So that is for that. And that scabbing that I was referring to just now is if you have a tattoo, and maybe after some 2 weeks or a week, you have some rashes coming out from the tattoo, and the tattoo will be scratching you very well. You have some rashes, and maybe your mind tells you that maybe the tattoo have infection. Number one thing for you to do, just go to pharmacy or go to your doctor. It's nothing. Just go to your doctor. Tell them to give you antibiotics. They have a tablet which they can give it to you. You can even go to pharmacy. They give it to you. It's not about 10 euro. You eat it than for you to be putting anything that you don't know. And very important, when you have a new tattoo, don't put too much ornament. Ornament is aftercare tattoo. After you draw a tattoo, the cream you put on your tattoo, don't put too much. Too much cream on your tattoo is very bad. It will not make it heal well. Just a little, it's okay. Maybe 2 times a day, in the morning, in the evening. Even if, for example, a day you didn't have your shower, or you just have your shower 2 times, it's advisable you just use a clean water with soap just to clean your tattoo, just to wash your tattoo. Wash it, let it dry like that. You can even use a tissue to tap it, then the water will dry off. You understand? So when you are having that rashes on your tattoo, maybe they will swell up, and inside the rashes, maybe there will be some white things. Now those white things inside, sometimes the hand will be very red. What you should do, there's a tablet you can take on Pharmacia. These things are normal, they are not infection. You just kind of like, because tattoo is a type of thing that does not like anything called dirty. Understand? Anything dirty will give your body infection, and that infection will come out from scabbing, and that scabbing will increase for your tattoo to inch more. So you just have to be, your tattoo, you need to be very clean. That place you draw your tattoo, you need to be very clean until it heals. Don't put anything, don't stress your tattoo. Let it heal by itself. Just kind of like now, it's not advisable to have a tattoo then you go to swimming pool. It's very bad. Because why? That swimming pool, they put so much chemical there. You will stay on swimming pool for like many hours. That tattoo, it gets soaked. It's a new tattoo. It's a problem. And when you have a new tattoo, it's not advisable to stay under the sun. That direct hot sun will burn your tattoo. And when your tattoo heals, it will look very dull. It will not be very bright. You understand? So one thing I'm telling you people about when you get a tattoo is, when your tattoo is getting healed, it's normal. Your tattoo must crash. And majority of people that have new tattoo, when your tattoo is getting healed, you'll be seeing some rashes coming out from the tattoo. It's normal. There's nothing to be scared of. You understand? So if this rashes is too much, you know, so everyone have a way of bearing pains or all those kind of itchy stuff. Go to Pharmacia, complain to them. They give you a tablet. But even though they give you the tablet, the itching will still be there. But it will prevent that tattoo from getting more infection. But your tattoo will be okay. It will heal well. Sometimes your body, this scabbing, these rashes might come back from your tattoo maybe after 3 weeks or maybe 2 weeks. It depends. Everybody, because some people body are very allergic to tattoo. So when your blood is allergic to tattoo, those things do happen, but there is nothing to worry about. When you have a new tattoo, all you need to do in the morning when you wake up, wash it with clean water. Don't use towel to rub it, because that your towel is dirty, have virus in it. And most especially, it's not advisable when you have a new tattoo, you'll be playing with dog. Dog is not clean. Dog can affect your tattoo, and your tattoo will have infection. Because most time when you draw a new tattoo, the tattoo might have infection. It's not because of the tattoo artist that did it. It can be you that don't take care of your tattoo well. Something you might think is nothing, it's something to tattoo, because that's your blood. Remember, when doctors are going into surgery, they take care of everywhere. They wear hand gloves, everything is clean. You understand? So that is equal to tattoo. Tattoo is also like a surgery. So you need everything to be very clean. If you can prevent dirty from the tattoo, it will heal very well, and at the end, it will be very bright. You understand? The only way you might have problem on tattoo is when the tattoo artist apply too much force on your tattoo, too much needle here. That too much needle might give you another infection. That does not come from you. It comes from the tattoo artist. Too much needle here. When you are taking the same line, passing it up and down, that is a mistake from the tattoo artist. But when the tattoo artist give you a perfect tattoo, and at the end you mess the tattoo up, having an infection or it's scratching you, it's not for the tattoo artist. It's for you. The most thing you need to do when you get a new tattoo, try to listen to the advice the tattoo artist gave to you. Even though the guy knows nothing, just try to listen to him. Just use your common sense. If you get injury for Nigeria, or as an African guy you have an injury, when you wake up in the morning, you must use hot water to press it. I'm not telling you to go and use hot water on your tattoo. It's very bad. I'm telling you to use cold water just to wash it in the morning. Then that your ornament, just put a little to rub it. Let it breathe. Let the fresh air to enter. It will heal, and the dead skin on top will peel up, and the tattoo will be very fine. Don't stress your tattoo. Don't stay in too much water. Don't scratch it. When you have your shower, don't rub it. Let your tattoo heal before you go to swimming pool. It's very important. So just use your common sense. Thank you very much for listening to this little YouTube that I dropped today. I'll be dropping more updates and all and more things on my YouTube channel like this. So it's not just going to be all about my tattoo videos or all those things. We are progressing, we are going more. So I want you all to please support this my channel, subscribe, like it, and if you before I forget, if you have any question to ask, just drop it on the comment section below. I will answer you, or I will bring more of the details back on my next video. Thank you very much. God bless.